In this video, we are going to create equations and graphs for quadratics in vertex form. The formula looks like this. Y equals a parenthesis x minus h parenthesis squared plus k. A is the rate of change, h and k are the vertex, just like with absolute values. So I take the vertex out, it's 1 down 2, and I check how far up it goes. So it goes up 1 over 1. So I'll have 1 x, when I plug the 1 in, it changes to a minus squared, and I have a minus 2 on the outside. I look at my vertex, it's negative 1 up 3, and it goes up 1 over 1. So I put a 1 in front, parenthesis x. When I plug a negative 1 into the parentheses, it will switch signs, squared, and there's a plus 3 on the outside. Take out the vertex, 1 comma 3, it goes up 1 over 1. I put x minus 1 squared and a plus 3 on the outside. On this one, it goes up 1 over 1. Notice I only check the first one. Quadratics make a U shape, so the pattern changes. It goes by 1, 3, up 1, then 3. Quadratics go by odds. So I only check the first section, and if it's a 1, that's what the front number is. So you only check that first step. That would be a 1. My vertex is at 4 comma 2. X minus 4 squared plus 2. I check where my vertex is, 3 comma 3. This time it goes down 1. So I need a negative 1, x minus 3 squared, and a plus 3 on the outside. Check my vertex, 4 comma 1, and then it goes up by 2 on this one, which means I have x minus 4 squared and a plus 1 on the outside. This one goes 1, 2, it's going down by 2. My vertex is at 3, up 4, negative 2, x minus 3 squared, and then a plus 4 on the outside. This one's going down 1. My vertex is at 4 comma 1, x minus 4 squared plus 1. To graph it, we are going to do reverse, so I take out the vertex, change the sign on the first, the second stays the same, negative 4 up 4. Now because it's a 1, it's going to open up by 1, 3, 5. So I go up 1 over 1, 1, 2, 3 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 3 over 1, to make a U shape. Or if you hate doing that, you can always make a table, take the vertex out, and then just plug in values that are 2 above and 2 below. So I would do parenthesis negative 5 plus 4 parenthesis squared plus 4. Then I'd plug in negative 6 plus 4 squared plus 4, negative 3 plus 4 squared plus 4, -2 plus 4 squared plus 4 is 8. And then you would just plot those points. So -6 up 8, -5 up 5, -4 up 4, -3 up 5, -2 up 8, and make your parabola. 28, I take out the vertex. I change the sign from inside the parentheses to a 2. Outside stays the same. Over 2 up 3. Now I have to go up by 1, 3, 5 because it's a positive. Up 1 over 1, up 1, 2, 3 over 1. Notice I'm using the whole numbers and not the halves, so the darker lines are whole numbers. If you don't like that, you would make a table. You know that 2/3 is the vertex, 2, 3. So then you would do 3, 4, 1, 0, and you would plug those two in. When you plug a 1 in, you would get 4. When you plug a 0 in, 7. So if you wanted to make a table, that could be your backup plan. 29, I have -3, -3. Then my pattern, because there's a 1 in front, it would be 1, 3, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. There's the parabola. Take the vertex out. +1 down 3. 1, 3, 5. It's going up because it's a positive. 1, 2, 3. Up 1 over 1, up 1, 2, 3 over 1. Take the vertex out, change the sign from the first, second stays the same. Then it will be going up by 1, 3, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. This one I take the vertex out, change the sign, leave alone. This is going to mess things up. So my 1, 3, 5 is no longer going up. Negative means that it will go down, down 3, down 5. And the 2 is going to make it go down 2, down 3 times 2 is 6, and down 10. So I go down 2 over 1, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1. Match it on the left side, down 2 over 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 wouldn't even fit. I couldn't continue down. There's your parabola. Take out the vertex, change the first one, leave the second alone, left 1 up 3. My 1, 3, 5 is going to go down this time and times by 2, so -2, -6, -10 didn't fit last time, so I'm going to leave it. I will end up not doing it. Down 2 over 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1. Down 2 over 1, down 6 over 1. And there's your parabola. +2, +3. Now this is a +2, so my 1, 3, 5 is going to become 2, 6, 10, going up. It stays positive, so +2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once again, if you really hate using these patterns, you can just make a table and plug numbers in to check.